Pisces, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At titingnan natin ang energies ng New Moon in Gemini sa inyo. Naparating ngayon June 6, 2024 at 8:37 p.m. Philippine time. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang. So alam naman natin ang New Moon is about new beginnings, new opportunities, new blessings, new experiences, and it's also a best time for you to manifest your goals, your desires. So for you Pisces, especially Pisces rising, itong new moon na to ay mangyayari sa inyong fourth house of your family, your roots, your foundation, your real estate, no? Yung mga properties, real estate properties. So a lot of things can be starting for you, Pisces. So yung iba pwedeng meron kayong bagong lilipatan na bahay, or you are finally making things happen para sa goal mo sa bahay mo, nakakapag-ipon ka na para sa dream house mo. You may also be, pwedeng meron kang bibisitahin na dati mong tinitirhan, or dati mong parang hometown mo, wherein you will be able to see your parents, yung iba mong mga close family members, mga kamag-anak mo, no? Or yung iyong uh, pwedeng ancestral house, ancestral home. Ayan. So, pagbisita sa inyong probinsya, ganyan. So, this is also about your connections with your family members. So, yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng you are welcoming a new family member. Yung iba, pwedeng kayo to, na merong manganganak, no? Kayo yung manganganak. Or meron kayong i-welcome na bagong family member, like anak ng kapatid mo, no? May pamangkin ka na. Things like that. So, kasi Jupiter is also here, no? Sa sign ng Gemini, which is in your fourth house. Meron tayong overwhelming energies ngayon sa sign ng Gemini kasi meron tayong stellium. Ang stellium is concentration ng mga planets sa isang sign or sa isang house. So, 5 planets to. So, kasama na yung 2 luminaries. Mercury is in your fourth house right now. And ang Mercury kasi is comfortable siya sa sign ng Gemini. So, yung iba sa inyo, mas magiging maganda yung communication ninyo with your family. Pwedeng meron kang maririnig from your parents. Lalo na kung matagal na kayo hindi nagkikita, nag-uusap ng parents mo. So, pwedeng may communication. If they are still alive, okay? Or maaring like a family member, no? Can also be a sibling, merong magre-reach out sa'yo to talk para makapag-usap, makapag-ayos-ayos, ganyan. Some of you rin, merong kayong, Mercury is also about short distance travel. So, pwedeng meron kayong i-check na bahay, or a rental house that you want to move into, no? Kung halimbawa gusto mo lumipat ng bahay, syempre magka-canvas ka na, magtitingin-tingin ka na ng mga properties na gusto mong malipatan. Okay? So, you have Jupiter here as well. So, Jupiter is the planet of abundance, good luck, expansion. So, it's in your fourth house. Yung iba, maaring may mga projects kayo sa bahay na gusto nyong mas pagandahin, i-extend yung kitchen ninyo. So, renovation, okay? Renovation or redecoration, redesigning ng bahay ninyo. Pwedeng sa interior. Or yung iba, talagang pwedeng makakahanap kayo ng dream house ninyo somewhere far from your home right now. So, let's say, nasa Visayas ka, tapos meron ka nakitang magandang bahay or property sa Luzon. So, pwedeng doon ka lilipat. Okay? And also, meron tayong kazimi na ng Moon, Sun, in Venus. Kasi pareho sila 16 degrees right now sa pagdating ng new moon. So, Venus is the planet of money, aesthetics, love. So, some of you pwedeng I'm seeing some sort of reconciliation sa family. Lalo na kung merong naging issues before. Yung kung merong mga naglayas dito, yung tipong umalis ka sa poder ng family mo, ng parents mo, to live on your own, and then nagkaroon ng issue kayo, hindi na kayo nag-uusap, tapos nagkaroon ka na ng sarili mong family or meron ka ng anak or baby, tapos maaaring yun yung magiging reason para maayos ninyo yung connection ninyo. Kasi may mga ganun, di ba? Na mga anak na umaalis sa poder ng parents, medyo rebelde, tapos babalik, may family na may anak na. Tapos they don't need to talk na eh. Hindi na nila kailangan mag-usap kasi parang automatic na aayos yung relationship, lalo na kung may baby na, no? So makikita na nila yung mga apo nila. So very very specific to, but hindi naman yun mag-resonate para sa lahat. So that's what I'm seeing. You are working on your relationship with your family. Okay? Focus on your family. And also, some of you may opportunities kayo to work from home, having or creating money at the comfort of your home. Marami ng ganyan na opportunities, no, na hindi mo na kailangang magtrabaho as an employee dahil kahit nasa bahay ka lang, may internet, no, you can earn money. So, pwedeng magtatayo ka ng business sa bahay mo, magtatayo ka ng tindahan or home-based business or online business that will enhance your finances. Magdadagdag ng kaperahan. Let's see what else for you, Pisces. Abangan nyo rin yung reading ko for Jupiter in Gemini kasi i-discuss pa natin doon ano yung mga pwedeng magbago or mag-expand, mag-umunlad sa inyo. Okay? You have the Three of Pentacles. This is definitely expansion in your finances, growth in your finances. So kung meron kang business, trabaho, career ngayon, it is growing. Lalo na if nasa bahay lang, no? Yung mga work from home opportunities. You have the Page of Swords. I feel like meron mga tao na parang nagwa-wonder kung ano yung pinagkakakitaan mo. Lalo na kung hindi ka naman nila nakikitang lumalabas. Ewan ko kung bakit nagwa-wonder pa sila kasi 'di ba sa internet age na tayo kasi. Oo, napagsama ko yung net tsaka age. Nasa internet age na tayo. So, anything can be possible. Anything is possible na. So, you don't have to go out and go to an office para mag-work. But, merong mga, interesado na, ano kayo pinagkakakitaan itong ni Pisces? Ganon. You have the Six of Pentacles. So, this is balance in your finances. Kung ano man yung mga naging challenges niyo before sa finances ninyo na parang mas marami kayong utang kesa sa income ninyo. So, ngayon nababalanse niyo na yan. Wow, you have the Magician. So, you are manifesting your goals, your dreams right now. Some of you are going to start a new source of income, no? Merong Page of Pentacles, learning something. So, maaring meron kang opportunity ngayon na may matutunan na skill, pwedeng online, na pwede mong gawin sa bahay lang and start earning money, no? Ang dami na niyan. Ang dami-daming pwedeng pagkakitaan online. Kung talagang open lang kayo for new opportunities. So, you have the Star card and the Death card. Oh my God. So, this is transformation. I feel like there is a dream. Meron kayong dream para sa bahay nyo, para sa family nyo. That is going to happen. Okay? Unti-unti siya, nangyayari siya in the background. Kumbaga, hindi mo man siya nakikita sa ngayon, but you are undergoing a major change. Like a major shift in your home life, your family life. Grabe, yung iba sa inyo may bagong bahay, oo. Na-manifest nyo na yung dream house ninyo or yung plans nyo, yung dreams nyo for your family. a time for healing. Oh my God. So yung iba sa inyo, like what I mentioned kanina, kung meron kayong issue, sigalot with your family members, your parents, yan. It is healing. Expect powerful change. Oh my God, kinikilabutan ako, Pisces. There is a powerful change that makes sense with the death card here. Because this is endings and new beginnings. Mhm. The end of a tough cycle approaches. Yes. Kung ano man yung mga challenges ninyo in the past, natatapos na yan. Dahil you are, meron ng rebirth. A time for rebirth. It's a brand new you. Okay? So, that is your reading, Pisces. Thank you so much. Bye!